Khumalo lo Commander Khumalo besela besohlala lapha nabanye abantu abasha abayi-organizile abayidlanzana bethi umsholozi usemdala sekumele mlinde Khumalo nabo lonto isivumele nabo umkhono indlela uzuma ephethwe ngayo ku-ANC ovalula ngesivumele ukuthi uma abantu sebeda utshwala emahhotela emhlanga uZuma kade emusha ememezela umkhono sonke sagijima ngoba sidlala iMakaZulu ngoJanuwari usemdala kade emusha isawumemezela umkhono mase uhlangana umkhono usuzodla abantu sophathizwe usemdala esivumele lonto naye futhi Khumalo njengolusha sikhiye angeke azayidide le organization kusakhona i-click umsholozi futhi esakho because we must protect MK with everything we have. Don't join MK then you see yourself as a leader. You go into a hotel, you sit with all the people, you are discussing that umsholozi must not be a leader. Who must lead? Who is Khumalo? Where does it come from? In this revolution, we don't know Khumalo. But in this revolution, we know Umsholozi. Umsholozi has been an NEC of the ANC for more than 60 years. He's the most senior comrade in South Africa, including our portfolio. Now, you want to call me into a hotel to tell me that President Zuma is not a leader? We never allow that. We are going to keep a dog until the owner comes out. After we expelled these boys, Khumalo was running around like a headless chicken with no direction. Then we said, we found you. We are coming for your head. Because we must defend the revolution. We must jealously guard the revolution. In this revolution, you have no friends, you have no allies. If you turn against the revolution, we are going to turn against you. And it's very fine because some of us, we don't care about being loved. You can all turn against me. But so long as you turn against me while I'm trying to do good for the revolution, I will never want to be your friend at the expense of the revolution. So we must do that. Labafana bengaphinde ba-attende ama-meeting e-MK UK. Mani babona whether we are there or not, you must isolate the enemy. Because their funders did Mabuza there. They get money from Didi Mabuza. These boys were poor just now, 3 weeks ago. They are driving polos, they bought new tickets, yes, they are unemployed. They sit in Umshanga, they are renting a house. What is that house? Chairman, Glenwood. You are unemployed, your mother is unemployed, we are not paid, they are volunteers. We use our money whenever you stay in Glenwood. You drive a polo, you have new tickets, you are now wearing a G-Star. Come on. Come on. Come on. So, this revolution will defend the Makaba. So, let me ask you, I overshine. But when we leave this organization, we must leave it intact. Not as a kangaroo organization that is directionless. When we inherit it, some of us are living in the UK. We don't want to leave the UK. But when we leave, you must remember us after 20 years, 15 years, that this UK is like this because it had a decisive leadership that is firm, that does not want to be loved by everyone. Hamba bethi nobhala bazosibambe enkompeni uzobamba abanye enkompeni. Bambe mina, uyohlaliswa yimina, ubambe mina wena. Thina siqala ngizabalaza last week. So bambe enkompeni, sokubona ngithole. Yani ngithole enkompeni, khohlwana. Mhlawumbe nje ngikhuluma nje ngibona ngabeni kuyo, kodwa uzobambe enkompeni. You are discussing about conferences azohlala after elections. sibhizi sikhanda umbutho, sibhilda ama-task team, wena ubhizi, uhlale hotel, hayi uzoma kanganiki, akulinde ukhumane, uzoma kanganiki, akulinde ukhumane. So bona-ke ukhumane mase simthintile ukuthi ubukhale ngobani, uzwibani. Because nobody cannot be touched. In this organization, everyone will be touched. If you deviate from the command of Jacob Zuma, we owe you no respect, we owe you no submission, we are going to fight you till